Charlie Cushane here to do another quick video, but this one I want to do in my truck. I do a lot of north-south driving to go up to New England and then back down to Florida every year. And in doing so, when the sun, is rising and setting, it's either coming in one window or the other, depending on whether I'm going north or south. And my visor doesn't get over here. And I can't extend it. So a lot of times I get sun in my eyes, or I want to have the, depending on going around turns, I want to keep this visor here, but I want to have another kind of visor, something here. And I saw somebody had made, or you could buy these little visors you could slip under like that. And I thought, oh, that's a great idea. So that's what I'm making today. So stay tuned. Okay, my plan is to do this in 2 steps. I have the door open, and I'm going to take a piece of this. It's like a 16th inch thick vinyl I had left over at, I bought it at Home Depot, and I'm just going to take it, and I need to do basically a radius here. Right? And then I'm going to have to start doing some cutting on this side. So I'm just going to do a rough outline. Okay, I'm just going to cut this with a pair of tin snips. It just makes it cut easy. That's all. Now I know this is not where the exact cut's going to be, but it'll get us close. I'm going to do the same thing on this end. Cut it close, and then I can sort of trim it to fit as I go. Okay, so let's give this a try. That's looking good. And this isn't too bad. I need to cut a little more out of here. There we go. Perfect. That's perfect. Now what I think I'll do is I'm going to take this on my sander and just slightly sand these edges so it's even thinner, more like a sharper knife edge, so that it'll slide in easier. So let me go do that. There we go. Nice and smooth and thinned out right on the edge. Perfect. Okay, now for the final test. Here we go. It's perfect. That'll stay in there, won't fall off. I can put my window down, it'll come off, but I don't do that often. But now I can drive down the highway, and this will block all that sun coming on my side. And if it's on my wife's side, I can give it to her. So that's perfect. Well, there you have it. The perfect sun visor. It doesn't come down too low, so I can still see out the window perfectly. I can still see my mirror perfectly. And it'll block any sun coming in and hitting the side of my face. A great, simple project. Anybody could do it. And if anybody's wondering about where I'm going to store this, simple. Right here, beside the seat. There, gone, all stored, and when I want it, I just reach down and pull it out. Perfect. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe for future videos.